How to get your Amazon account off hold. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site amazon.com. It will land you on this official page of Amazon. Once you are in here, enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. Well, your activity will be put on hold when an unusual payment activity is observed in your account. Amazon monitors activity on your account to keep your account and payment methods safe. So when they notice an unusual payment activity on your account, they temporarily place your account on hold. So in order to get your account off hold, what you want to do is click on Account and Links at the top right. Inside your account, head over to Customer Service and then click on Something Else. Now click on I Need More Help. It will show you two different options. One is Chat with Us and the other is Request a phone call. You can choose any of the customer service from here. Let me click on Request a phone call. Tap on Request Call now. Over here it says, what's the best number to call you? Enter your phone number and then click on Call Me Now. Once you are on call, you need to state all of the problem that you have been facing on Amazon. You can simply tell them that your account is on hold and please help off holding my account as soon as possible. Once you have mentioned all of this, now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get your Amazon account off hold. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.